podcast, radio and stuff. Welcome to podcast, radio and stuff. Greetings to you. We're here to do what we do best, and that is to talk to you today. Kamalam Guntokozo Chapa. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm not alone. I'm with my twin brother who decided to wear something nice and green.
Yeah, you're with your younger twin brother.
Yes.
Hello everyone, I'm Ntokozo Khulusa. Quite excited, Ntokozo, that we're back here again to talk radio and stuff. But before we get to that, asibakhumbuze ukuthi yini le balekile kumele benze isiqiniseko sokuthi bayenza njengoba bebuke podcast.
Yeah, because we love them so much.
Yes.
You know, and they are all our target markets. So, so please do subscribe. Please do subscribe, please. And please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
So that you get notified every time when we drop something. And please do like this episode and all the other episodes that you have watched. Like it. We truly want you to do that.
Yes, and we promise that we won't, at some stage, once we've got 1 million subscribers, and tell you that you were never our target market. We promise we're not going to do that, right?
Never.
Yeah, never. Hello. Okay, Ntokozo, we are at that time of the year, ne? Beginning of the year, but now we are approaching February. And do you say compliments of the season, or it's good morning, Sawubona?
Compliments of Valentine's month.
Compliments of Valentine's month. Okay. We've got a guest today, Mfethu.
A beautiful one.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, Msakazi.
Yes. And before we were told Abasagazi, they are not beautiful, but I've seen one and I've seen many.
Yeah. Oh, you've seen others who are beautiful.
Yes.
Okay.
And the one we are with in studio is one of them as well.
So she Msakazi, but she could have been Miss South Africa if she wanted to, ne?
Definitely.
Yeah, so we'll give her an opportunity to introduce herself as she's looking all beautiful and smiling there.
No, it's a pleasure. How am I supposed to speak? After that intro, how am I supposed to speak?
You could have done whatever you wanted to do.
No.
You chose teaching and radio.
Hello, Sanbanan.
Hello, how are you?
Well, compliments of the new season. It's still January, guys.
We're recording in January, but you see, because this will play there.
Oh, okay, makes sense. No, still the beginning of the year.
Yes.
Yeah. So compliments of the season.
Yes,
Yes.
please.
What's the compliments of the season?
I think after Feb, like
After
End
Feb.
of Feb.
yeah,
What if I see
end
you
of Feb.
go March and ngiyaqala ukubona?
Ish. I don't know. Because it's still the beginning of the year. Yeah, so I think it's still relevant now.
Okay.
Much
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yes, ngazajabula ukuba like hi.
Thina sijabule ukuba nawe.
Ulondidlo igama lami. Hi, this is odd. Like, I'm not sure. Where am I supposed to look? Am
Look
I
at
supposed to
us.
look at you guys?
Look.
It's easy with the radio because there's no cameras. I be bluffing the whole time. And now I have to worry who's in Buga. Yeah, son. So, Ulondidlo igama. And kumnandi kakhulu because nasebenza nami angisona istranger kunina. Yes, ngaziwa ngomisa abantwana eradiweni. I am a teacher, I am on radio, I am a business lady as well. That's me.
Welcome,
So you're
welcome,
money,
welcome, Nandi.
She's money.
There's so many
I
things.
wish I was
Doesn't need a boyfriend to support her with
Oh,
money.
please, I do.
Eh?
I do. Please.
You do?
I need a husband. Inkinga zami zidinga a husband.
Guys, did you hear?
Not a boyfriend. At this point, I need a husband. Sengimdala.
You've already got 3 streams of income.
It's not enough.
It's not enough.
No.
Yeah, there's something that money can't do.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Oh, what is that?
No.
A lot of things, Aibo. A lot of things.
Can I have examples?
Aibo, how? Money cannot give me babies. I need babies. I need to have children.
There you go, husbands out there.
And by the way, she's not talking about having babies. She's talking about the process of making babies. That's the that yileyo part oyifunayo.
Imali ngeke nginikeze yonke leyo nto. So I need the humans actually, you know.
Okay.
Oh wow. What a vibe,
Uthantini.
Yeah.
Londi, you are a teacher by profession,
Yes, I am.
but you also do radio, and you are a businesswoman. We'll touch on all of those three things. But I think maybe let's start here. Maybe let's start the way that I started the interview when we hosted someone that you once co-hosted with, Sizwe Space.
Yes, I did. I watched that one.
Yes.
Phela ngiyanibuka like I watched this podcast nje. Please. Yes, ngayibuka impela.
Why kusakaza ube uthisha?
However, lapho kusakaza nje first love yami. It's always been my first love yokusakaza. But you know what happened? Kwasemakhaya mina ngikhulela eSidumbini.
Oh, okay.
eSidumbini is the Upper Tongaat.
Yeah, sure. Okay, sure.
Yes. So ngikhulela eSidumbini isemakhaya akaze abe khona umsakazi. Nje yabanayo idea nje ngalento yemedia. So now my sister is a teacher, my older sister. And then okay, high school yami from grade 8 to grade 12 I was in a boarding school. So message filwa into yama forms ga matric. I tell my sister useyabuza phela ukuthi so sigcwalisa siqala ngani kanjani. So ngiyabhala zonke ama options angithi kuse basoyofuna ama options awu 6 uzokhetha kuona. My first option was media communications. I think yayibizwa kanjalo. Particularly because even though ngangazi kahle ukuthi ungena kanjani emsakazweni, but I knew ukuthi fanele ngifunde into media phakathi. Did my sister not put leyo option as the last one? As the last option? Because ekhabane lento yokuthi siyamuza ukuthi ufuna ukuba se-radioini but abai-understand kahle emakhaya ukuthi khamba ususe-radioini wazi bani kona lapho kuzongenwa kanjani all of that. So my sister was just like angifuna ukuthi uLondi afunde into ezomenza ukuthi angasebenzi ekugcineni. So wafaka i-teaching as my first option. Then mangabe sekubuya izinto sekusho ukuthi musu acceptiwe kanjani. Then ngathola leya ka teaching ke. So I was like, oh okay, it's fine ke because yona accept kuyona. So I did it teaching, but at the back of my mind I'm like I still know what I want. So I'll try and find a way ukuthi nginavigate ngize ngifike. But still ngayifunda into teaching ngayiqeda, got a job. Then when I was done ngayenza research manje ukuthi still inhliziyo yami isala emsakazweni ngingena kanjani la. So ngayithola i-short course ye radio nje qobo eyenzwa uLethwalo.
Oh, Vusi Lethwalo, yes.
So in a course I think it was 2 months or 3 months. Ngabona leyo nto nje I was just scrolling go Facebook ngabona ukuthi oh okay you do this short course kanje. So I did that eyenzwa eBed Center.
Sure.
I did that for 3 months, I think it was 3 months. Bakwenzela ne demo like ufunda nje onke ama basic because as much as talent elisuke likhona but you still want to know the basics nje of i-radio. So I did that bangenzela I demo ke. Yathi phuma nje leyo demo then ke ngabheka ke because bengihlala eAvoke that time. So the closest radio station was
Vibe FM.
Vibe. So
okay.
Mayiphuma nje demo then ke ngeza la Vibe ngafike ngathola ukuthi uZulu wayesa programs manager ubonga yes not sure if it's still programs manager. Then ke kanti ngaleso sikhathi vele bafuna amantombazane, they were looking to add amantombazane like a station. Sasiba u5 basibiza ke senza i-training. Was trainer and then bathatha abantu abawu2 and I was not taken.
Oops.
Labo bantu abawu2.
Oh.
I swear to you, but someone abawu2. I'm like how sengiyibona yazi future sengiyibona ikusasa yazi nje iyona lento engiyithandayo le ngifuna ukuyenza. And then ngaphinde ngabuye ngafica Ayanda uNtuli.
All right.
Ngafica yena kanti ngaleso sikhathi kuhamba khona umuntu oyihambile wekade usisothize nje wekade enza i-talk show yephakathi yayilantambama nje 7 to 7.
Nosipho.
Not khona
Nosipho.
Not kuNosipho, the other one.
Okay.
Ngiyamkhumbula ukuthi Nosipho ngamfica.
Sure.
Ngisazubani lo sis. Kanti le uvela ufuna umuntu ozokwenza leyo show and then wathola ukuthi I'm also a teacher.
I think it was Makhosi.
Wena igama le-English nje.
Oh, okay. Anyways.
Akabanga futhi isikhathi eside la ekhaya lo muntu because bathiwa usanda ukufika.
Oh, okay.
Hayi ke kanti vele usahambile lo sisi and then ndathola ukuthi nguthisha avela athi hayi wena uzoba nayo ke le content le. Okay. Athi cha ngibambe leyo show ke because vele sengiyenzile i-training sengi-right like ngelazi desk yonke into. Athi acela ngimbambele leyo show for leso sikhashana I think was 7 to 8 from Monday to Thursday lapho nje.
Okay.
And then I did that show wabona ukuthi hayi uyabelonga lo muntu. That's how I got like hayaki. Ngasizwa lo sisi wahamba. Yabona ngambona namanje ngathi girl you don't know what you did for me.
Wow.
Thanks for going.
Then ke ngawuyela kwinto ye-radio ke but I was like phela i-teaching vele ko sekuyimsebenzi wami nje profession yami yona thing engingenisela imali so I'm gonna do both.
Uyenze kuphi i-teaching?
UKZN. Straight after high school nje I went to Edgewood, did my 4 years. Right after 4 years I started working.
Okay. So when you were at Lotwalo, Vusi Lotwalo's School of Broadcasting, ubukade usuvela usebenza as a
Sengivele
teacher.
sengiyasebenza, yes.
Did you share that with some of your colleagues ukuthi or your friends ukuthi uyofunda ukusakaza?
I didn't.
You
Because
didn't?
nasekhaya ngabatshela sengiqalile ukuthi hayibo yazi njalo sengiba busy ngama weekend I'm attending.
So what made you decide to go there? You were ubusebenza already.
I know.
You are earning njalo ngomhla ka-15 if I'm not mistaken.
But nje ayibo as much as ngiyakenjoy nako ka teaching like ku-right nje kumnandi ngiyakenjoy even though ingane is basic frustrates but I was like still I feel like nje khona lento kusabele ngiyifulfill la nje.
Okay.
I still wanted to
do.
I still wanted the radio because I knew ukuthi yona things ngithanda ukuyenza.
I've heard many people mangabe bekhuluma ngama-families abo bathi they never supported this thing ye-radio. Many people engiye ngikhulume nabo.
Is it?
Why do you think your family also didn't understand ukuthi ufuna ungena eradiweni in the beginning?
No, nga understand ukuthi abasemakhaya bayazi lento and akaze kube khona umsakazi la endaweni so they clueless.
But it's something big. So you were dreaming big.
Ukuthi it's too big Londi ayikho possible. I think bayobuka nalokho ukuthi but ayikho possible lento ethandayo ke ukuthi babe ngebe ngitshele emehlweni. So bese bebona ukuthi sengibatshelile ukuthi okay I'm doing this course kanjalo and then mase ngampela sengena ke la ku vibe then babona ukuthi hayibo Londi bangilalela. That's when bangilalela ke baze babona how kanti hayibo unalo lethalent how uyashaya nje impela lento. So baqala ke bangisupporta kodwa nje hayi bandla Nkosi yami ekuqaleni babengayiboni kahle ukuthi ithini into yayo le red bakhona ngoba sebengizwa ngikhuluma emsakazweni ukuthi okay kanti it's possible ukuthi nombana ngangena. Yeah, that's when came.
You say you went to Letwalo Academy.
I did.
Recently there was a debate on social media amongst your colleagues.
Okay.
Former colleagues. Lwazat nomphathi station of FM Lucky.
Okay.
Dlamini. Umphathi station just ngizo summarize nje noma ngizo paraphrase into ayisho. Wayethi asikho stage asikho isikole sokufundela ukusakaza. Ukusakaza italente ozalwa nalo. Wayichaza nokunye but ke ungaya ku post yakhe uyoyibhekela uLucky Dlamini on Facebook. Umlwazat has ibavundulule academy.
Yes.
La khona efundisa khona abantu kusakaza. So Umlwazat had an issue with that because he believes ukuthi sikhona isikole rather i-radio yafundeleka.
Exactly.
Okusho ukuthi they had an argument on social media. So wena njengomuntu oyile esikoleni sokufundela ukusakaza, where do you stand in that argument?
No, definitely nje uyasidinga isikole. Angiphi uqinisele right.
Ba.
Right uMr Dlamini mangabethi into yokusakaza italent.
Okay.
Definitely italent lakho sokuzaliwe nalo. But you still need to learn our basics. Yabo nje mina umuntu njengami because bayabuza namanje ukuthi Londo ngena kanjani eradioini
Yeah.
I always tell them just go and do this short course izokusiza ukuthi by the time usuye eradioini like nje khona abantu abangazi ukuthi mawuye eradioini bazi ukuthi ufike eradioini vele ukhulume nje mawuye eradioini prepare you do your research yonke le nto uzoyifunda esikoleni sakhona no nje I feel like you still need as much as unali talent but to naturally lo talent lakho you need to learn the basics.
Okay, so maybe one day we should have Ulaki, no Mlwazet,
No.
you know, maybe one day and just have
Umsakazi nje
that
will
nice
tell you ukuthi
discussion.
uyayidinga nje that basic uyayidinga. Yes.
Yeah.
Sure.
And Londi, when you went to the School of Broadcasting, I'm sure you were seeing the microphone for the first time.
Yep.
Sengisho ukuthi uzokhuluma kuyona usakazi.
Uyiteste, nje
Yes,
uzizwe nawe,
uyiteste.
exactly.
So how was that experience? Is it intimidating? How was it for you?
No, it is. Yeah, it is. Nje, because manje uyayibuka nawe lento ukuthi hayi bo ngampela likhiyenzeka ngampela. I know kuyathusa. Because khona iphathi la eniyenza ama practicals khona. And niyanthathu lethwalo. We went to I think we went to Ivuma. Was it? We went to lento zani Ivuma FM. So ufike ubukeke there. Because as much as yena la afundisela khona kukhona ama desk nan but phela kusona studio, the actual studio like sakazelwa khona. So mawusu uyobona studio ngampela it feels different, like uyabuka nje uthi hayibo nali iphupho lami lifezeka Nkosi yami. Nje kufila.
And people are on radio for different reasons. I think you are aware of that because you are on radio. I'll make an example. There is a person who's on radio, akabheke imali. We activists, right? Mhlawumbe nje we activists ye-HIV, right? So unikezwe i-show and the focus is just to push lento le ay-activist
Abantu babe
you babe nale awareness, you know. Now, what is your greatest purpose of being on radio right now?
That's just fulfilling my dream. Like
Yeah,
for me, it's just I feel like I'm living my dream.
you're living your dream.
I am.
So, do you still push yourself to go to bigger platforms?
Obviously, yes, because phela njengamanje we are community.
Yes.
So that is just a step towards bigger ones.
Bigger ones. So, which bigger ones are the ones that you look at the
Oh,
most?
I love Ikakasi. I live for that station. And nje mangabe ngifike ngasebenzela ngikakasi ngofile ngathi nje khona into engayenzanga la emhlabeni.
Wow, that's a bold
No,
statement.
no, labana nje fanele bangithathe. I don't know how, but from my mouth to God's ears.
Have you knocked there?
Not yet.
Why not?
No, I know. I keep saying I'm gonna do a demo. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this, but not yet. But yeah, won't you missing is serious cash. Ngiyakutshela.
No, I think kuzokwenzeka. I think it's just a matter of keeping at it. That becomes important to be consistent in what you
I'm
do.
getting motivated because it's nimbonile uboniswa she was one of us.
Yes.
Girl. Yeah, bonje and not uboniswa kuphela.
Boniswa gazu ne?
Boniswa gazi.
Yes.
Yes. We've got uSizwe there. We've got Happy Girl. Like kumnandi ukubona abantu ekade ninabo same desk share nabo isho yedwa ukuthi oh okay kanti kuyenzeka ngampela or like yeah motivate.
Sure. I want us to go to your radio journey, ne? But before we get into it, I just want us to wrap up on touch on teaching a little bit.
Yes.
You ufundisa mapha grades?
I'm at primary school. I'm in grade 6.
Grade 6.
So those are about 10 years, 10, 11.
Bayakulalela mawusakaza abafundi bakho?
Ngithanda ukubatshela, ngicela ukukutshela ngangabatsheli. So they do now. Sengiyabatshela ukuthi njalo njalo ningilalela sebayangilalela bangitshela futhi ngomsombuluko ukuthi mase sikulalelile sizwile. So they do shame. Even abazali babo ke bangilalela.
Oh nice.
Ngizwe umuntu masifikele esikoleni athi hayibo njalo wemizwe engane zethu kade sikulalele. So I'm like, thank you.
Nice.
I don't know angangaxoxa kudala.
Yeah.
Even ama colleagues amathola lethu nje ukuthi lonto se radioini like ngangakhulumi ngakho.
And it must be very interesting ngoba uthisha ngoba uthola content uxoxa nezingane, you remain young even yourself because even the language abayisebenzisayo you know.
Awazi bese bangifundisa ama TikTok challenge.
Yes.
Ngalazi sikhathi angihlulani la ama challenge.
Yeah.
Ugcina ingane kwawena ayibo kumnandi ukuhlala nezingane.
Yeah, so that must be very interesting and it must be helping in terms of your own content on radio.
It does.
How does teaching influence what you do on radio?
I don't know nje kodwa kuyangenelana because manje uyabuka nje izinto ezenzakalayo uyabuka nje izinto ezenzakalayo in-environment yasesikoleni and then you link it neyasemsebenzini kuyanginika i-content mina for eradiweni. It does.
Okay. So now you're with Inanda FM.
Definitely.
On Sundays.
Sunday
3 to 6.
3 to 6. Well, 3 to 5.
3 to 5, yes.
3 to 5, yes.
Today's best radio indeed. That's Inanda. But before Inanda, usitshelile ukuthi waqala eVibe FM.
Yebo, eVibe nje because ngibona banginikeza. First step.
How was your stay with Vibe FM?
I had a great station. Mangaze ngibe nenkinga with the programs manager umphathi wethu like wesiphethe kahle nje angizange ngizene ngibe nenkinga. But kwafika ke la sengibona khona ukuthi sekumele ngicompromise safety yami sekumove e-studio, so I was like let me take a break. Mhlambe ngizophinde ngibone ngesinye isikhathi. But nje ngikaze ngixoshwe kaze kuxatshanwe. We good.
Okay. So you say is that settled to Hampe Vibe? It's because around safety issues.
Yeah.
When the studio moved.
Yeah, when the studio moved, then I had a problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
What shows did you do? Sorry.
Ngisa
Vibe.
Ngase ngenza 6 to 9 Friday night 6 to 9. Yes. So ngase ngena late manje we are drive ebusuku intombazane. I was like
Yeah.
Nah. But sure, what amashows engawenza
yes, throughout your stay with Vibe FM.
Because I started with Leo Talk Show Monday to Friday, Monday to Thursday. Ngasuka lapho ngengena uSaturday I mean ngasuka lapho sazongena noSizwe Saturday ngoNosizwe futhi sasingena ngoSaturday ebusuku.
Yes.
6 to 9 I think. Mana ngiyadideka because sengihamba mina ngangisaqhubeka leyo show sasikade siyenza noSizwe but ngase ngiyenza ngiyo.
Usenza wedwa yeSizwe.
So kwathiwa on Saturday. Kwathiwa on Saturday night 6 to 9.
Okay.
Yeah, ngenza show abaningi ngiyadideka. Ngiyadideka by mina. But ngakumnandi.
Then you took a break and then you joined Inanda. How do you join Inanda?
I took a break. I was like, you know what? Let me chill out, kancane. And then I got bored. I'm like, you know what? I actually miss radio. So I'm like, Inanda like to zobala ngihlala khona.
Just to disturb you, kusho ukuthi yayisilumile ibhag ye-radio.
Exactly.
Like, so there is kunebhag elumana radio. And ikwenza ukuthi make waphuma kwi-radio libe luyikhumbula.
Uyayikhumbula.
Usakaza ngisho drive.
Usasakaza wena drive?
No, phela mina siyaphuma ibhag.
Siphumeni.
Yeah.
At some point uyaphuma.
Uyakwazi ukuyikhipha.
No,
anyways, let's not go there. Let's not go there. No. I'll waste the time of the interview mangenza njalo.
Awesome.
So how do you join Inanda?
So after I left eVibe and then I took a break for like a few months, but then I'm like, ngiyekhumbula radio. And then so in fact was kuyi-1 December, so I'm thinking ukuthi how ngiyavala emsebenzini so nginalesikhathi nje vele ngizobe ngenze lutho ngaso. So I go to lapha eNanda, I speak to Thulani, ngiyamtshela nje ngithi Thulani anginaso nestory esidabukisayo so ukuthi kwenzakaleni, I just need you to give me a show. Njengamanje ngiyazi ukuthi uDecember khona abasakazi uzofuna ukuba uyabukubashintsha kanjalo, so ngicela ukuthi ungisebenzise. And he's like sobona, we'll see. So athi ngim-email my demo and my CV. Okay, I do that. Uphela uDecember angibizi. I'm like, how nkosi yami. And then go January towards the end of January, and then angifonele kashathi awuvele ngalamadlomo. I go there. So I say they're looking to add umuntu lapha kwi-charts. I-chat yabo is on Sunday 12 to 3. So yenziwa umail uyenza uCanon uyenza yedwa.
Oh yes.
So athi they want to add something laphayana, so bacabanga ukuthi ngizoba right for that show. Angikhoste no
thing.
Angikhoste no Canon. I'm like, oh cool, okay. I get on, like, Mr. Canon is such a cool dude, very chilled. Nje angifundisa yonke into badlami nje, very welcoming. So we do the show again, Canon from January to nini konje kodwa nje siyenze and then ngabo July, is it July, August or July, kubekho isho elandela emva kwethu u325 yenziwa umunye intombazana uThembi. So I'm not sure noma uthola umsebenzi kude okwenzakaleni, but uThembi kwacaca ukuthi uyahamba. So now bafuna umuntu ozovala leso sikhala. Mind you, isho yamakhwaya lo 325. So angicela ulethuzana uSulwana kuthe ilondi ngicela ukukususa kancane lapha ku 12 to 3. That time ngi-enjoya le chance because nje i-vibe idlala lo music enguthandayo. Asi nje ucela ngizobamba kancane lana ku 325. Hayibo ngizama ukucabanga lento ngithi Jesus. Yebo ngihlale ngilala nothi ngithi kodwa ethi buyenza kanjani isho i-serious kanjena because idlala nje umculo ongalaleleki mina ngikaze ngiculeke even e-primary even e-high school nje into yomculo nje vela ngikaze ngibe good kuyona. Hayi ke asho sicela ngicela ngibabele isho ngisho ngithi ngaze ngane challenge Jesus Christ ngizoyithini. But I'm like okay, I'll give it a shot, we'll see. So ngingeneke 325 lo ngithatha nanokuthi ngoba 2 hours yabo kube kakhulu. Hayi ke ngiyenze research ke kumakhwaya ngiyenze research and then ke hayi siyenze ke show for lokho nangesonto elandela athi yaza ngikamthola umuntu ngicela lokho khamba isikhathi ngicela sengimbuza ukuthi hayibo kanti what's the story angeke
so kahle wena la ufuna nje.
No, I'm not happy ngizwe angiyona vibe yami angifeel but phela unalento ukuthi lo ndima ngabe umsakazi fanele ukwazi ukwenza wonke amashow kanjani kanjani. I'm like yeah, I understand that. I've done talk shows, I've done amashow ahlukene but this one it tricky. But yeah, okay, athi ke no bavele bakhiphe i-adverts ke ukuthi nje they looking for i-presenter ya choral music. Hayi ke irani nje futhi leyo lento for isikhathi eside impela on air. Ngibe nethemba nami ukuthi okay akuyalunga ngisho I'm going back to my show. Hayi after isikhathi futhi ngilokhu ngimbuza ukuthi Thulane you're not winning. Like lo ngiyabathola abantu but abantu abazi choral music unfortunately they can't present. Yabo yonke lo nto wasebakhona sengizamile ukuba trainer but nje abenzi lento engifunayo. And then umphathi ke manje kube yena umphathi we-stage, she's like awusayindawo, we don't want anyone else, that's your show.
Back.
I'm like damn, okay, yeah, I appreciate ukuthi okay that means I'm doing a good job but choral. But ke sengirelaxile sengijele nje ngiyenze research yami nje sengize ngabazi abantu bamakhwaya sengiyawazi ngiyabona nje mekhona ama performances go Stable Theatre but I go there, I do interviews nje sengiyabuya.
That's amazing. That is an interesting story.
It's amazing.
So phela la ukhona make sure ukuthi you do your best.
No, you know why I'm saying it's amazing. It took you out of your comfort zone. Abasakazi abaningi bayasaba ukuphuma kwi-comfort zone yabo. Untobeko knows, I always say mangingafonelwa ngi-offerishwe uhlelo lamaskandi ngingabonga. Yes ngiyalalela. No ngiyawalalela ama-shows kaMaskandi ngiyawuthanda. But ngiyazi ukuthi le idinga a special kind of a talent.
Exactly.
So kusho ukuthi mina ngingakabi ready ukuphuma kwi-comfort zone. So ingakho ngithi mina I really applaud.
Do you find yourself now listening to choral music even emotweni ma drive?
I do.
Yeah, then what happens? Yabo as umuntu dama senza ama shows I mean sasakazi ahlukahlukene. Uma ngabe ukuthi ishow engiyenzayo iyagijima idlala igqom ngekhathi zethu, that was the type of music angulalela. Yes, uma ukuthi idlala i-R&B slow jam, it's a Sunday, that was my favorite music at that time. So kushuthi nje wena ziyichoral emotweni yakho ziyasha.
Wow. But well done on that.
Okay, not this one, Lily, kanjani.
You know, one of the secrets of okusakaza abantu abanye bangawabambi, especially since you are in community radio, ukuthi make sure ukuthi awusakazeli la ufuna ukuya khona. Usakazela lesi stage okusona.
Exactly.
Understand the target market lesi stage okusona, usakazele sona. Amaphutha amaningi enziwa abasakazi ukuthi ngiba nokuthi ngifuna ukuyapha engqondweni. So mase nginikezwa ishow la mina angifuni ukuyenza ngalendlela lesi stage esithi ngiyenze ngaso. Ngifuna mina ukwenza lento ezokwenza lo engifuna ngilalele angizwe. Kanti noma usufika at a commercial radio station they will not give you what you like.
nakhona kunendlela ke
They will
yakhona.
give you what they want in line with their target market.
Exactly.
No, that's true. That is
Yeah.
true. Having
Good
worked
trick.
for Vibe FM and Inanda FM, they're both community radio stations.
Yeah.
And of course, I understand you are currently with Inanda, so probably you won't be able to tell us everything. But what are some of the things ongathi Zoom mehluko osuyibonile between the two stations? They call each other sister stations, by the way.
I think they're more commercial than E-Vibe. Like, even with their music,
They're more
they're more commercial than
Commercial,
E-Vibe. Yeah,
okay.
they're more commercial than E-Vibe. E-Vibe isakazela umuntu wala kamashu.
Okay.
Like nje o-vibe onjengolondi kanjalo. Lapha eNanda, I feel like batargethe omunye umuntu.
Okay.
okay.
I don't know how.
All right.
It's not a bad thing, but it's not the same.
It's not
Okay.
the same.
Yeah, it's not the same.
All right. And now the environment. Let's talk about the environment. One of the most important things, you know this because you are a professional working in the teaching sector, is an environment. Yala or sebenza khona. When you look at the two environments, you know, is there any difference, any similarities?
Yeah, similarities, yes, because it's community. The environment, I think, akuhlukile kangako.
The way you do things is the same.
It is.
So when you are as a radio presenter, what is expected from you at Inanda FM? No kwakulindeleke kuwena kwi-Vibe. It's exactly the same thing.
Yeah,
There's no
it's this-
difference.
Yeah, there's not much difference. Kukuthi nje laphayana basasilungwana la siselokishini.
Okay.
Okay. Interesting.
Very interesting for me to I need to ask you this. Kwake kwaba nomsindo recently in social medias, especially Facebook. Abasakazi bakuma community radio, they were actually venting, you know, about the fact that in some radio stations there is no payment about holy.
Yeah.
You know, do you get paid?
No, I don't.
All right. Then where do you stand when it comes to labasakazi abakhalayo ngokuthi akholwa? I think you did say it. It became, you know,
It's not nice
big
because
debate.
at the end of the day, the station does make money. It does make money. The work that you put in. So I feel like even though we're community radio station, but there should be a stipend. Like, I mean, like for your toiletries, for your transports. So it's unfair. You get nothing. Like you get nothing. But
me as a station manager, when I hire you, I'm upfront ukuthi like I volunteer.
I know, Pella, we take that, but with the hope you're going to ngokuqhubeka kwesikhathi, I'm gonna be getting something. Aye, how it's unfair. No, it's unfair.
trying to
Well, it's
understand.
okay for me. It's okay for me because I've got another job on Kokelayo. I've got my side hustle, so I don't have a problem kangako. But there are people abenzira ngampela like umuntu ongena during the week, ongena lapha Monday to Friday.
Yeah, but the argument we would get when we speak to people who are leading in radio, but akukho la khona esithembise khona anyone ukuthi uzohola.
Aye, but it's not fair.
It's not fair.
It's not. I'm not saying pay the millions, obviously, but like something.
Yeah, but the station doesn't afford.
No, the station does make money, I boo. The adverts, people are paying.
Yeah.
Aye, how? Especially if you go khona nami ngibaletha engaziyo ukuthi you've got this ad on air because lo muntu wayazi mina.
Sure.
Yabo, I should be getting something.
Oh, so do you actually get that opportunity to bring someone?
Yeah, you do.
Okay.
Yeah.
But-
If nje kukhona umuntu.
So is there like a commission or there's no commission?
Apparently there is.
Okay.
I've heard.
Have you brought someone before?
No, not yet, no. But they are who have. So
Bring the department.
Yeah, that's sure, yeah. I'll take that.
So I suspect Lonely, because you did say which for where now in terms of the pay, not that you don't need it,
Yeah,
but
not that I
that's
don't need it,
really
but exactly.
because you have another you have a job.
Yes.
But if you look at your colleagues, some of them that are doing radio full time, what are some of the things that worry you? Like you mentioned it, Monday to Friday, you better go to 6 to 6, or whatever the case might be. So what are some of the things that are worrying the community radio sector for you as umuntu we sector?
Hey bo, kubuhlungu, like it's not nice nje, especially umuntu mesezoza soboleka kuwena, cela ungiboleka imali yokugibela. Hayi bo, ngeke. The station should do something about that.
Yeah.
Ngeke abaphathi, they must do better, please.
You are asking them.
No, they must do better, please.
We are asking nicely.
Nicely. But no, they must consider ukuthi umuntu uthathile isikhathi sakhe wangabe usebenza kwenye indawo la ahola khona but njengamanje ukhulisa isiteshi sakho. Please.
Yeah, let me just come back to you kancane Londi. Now you are doing the Sunday 3 to 5 show. Since ngakwazi awukaze uyenza ngikhuluma ngokubamba ne awukaze uyenze ishow ya midday yasemini between 6 and 6 since ngakwazi would you love to do a show like a 9 to 12 show? I'm just giving you an example, but ungathanda ukuthi one day usithole wenza i-radio
definitely definitely 9 to 12 just specifically. I love that one because I can't do 6 to 9 because I'm not a morning person, so I'd have a problem with that. Like my vexing, I do not want to talk, please. So I'm going to nginale energy yokuthi nje no.
But 9 to 12 uvuke ngo6 angithi uvuka ngo4.
That's the thing ukuthi uvuka even early kunalokho, so I'd never in my life I'll never do breakfast.
So if you were offered a breakfast today by Ukhozi, what would you do?
Hayi phela ngiyazama.
Did you hear the change of tune?
Even with my kids, they know they know ukuthi nje ngene 20/7. Ungayi report case ngalezo ikhathi ngisafika ngabo 8 at least come after 9 yabo indlela engiresponda ngayo uthola ukuthi icase efanayo but indlela engiresponda ngayo ekseni nengiresponda ngayo after ibreak kanje ngabo 11 ayifani ngiswe sengi-right ngalezo
so yini eqaqayo cup of coffee
ngokuhamba kwe oh yes definitely funny not really a cup of coffee but ngiyadla ekseni.
Okay,
so at least mase ngidlile kusuke sekungcono ke seku-right like I'll have a porridge or cornflakes something like that. So mase ngidlile seku-right
ngiphe usibari yabo ukuthi azi ukuthi yini ezokucaca.
But I'd love to do 9 to 12.
9 to 12. Which is your favorite 9 to 12 right now?
Njengamanje ngisadidekile because I listen to Jabs. I also listen to Huto on Metro.
Wow.
I'm like, sometimes I listen to this song, I'm like, ew, what I feel like they do a stellar job. Ooh, wow. They're so good. They're so good.
All right. So what are your views on radio? Because you are in radio, you listen to different radio stations. What do you think of the content that we have been given on radio?
Hi, mina bandla ngihappy nge-radio. I've heard abantu ukuthi nje i-radio is dying, i-radio ayisafani nakuqala. I mean, it's 2025, we're moving with times. Obviously, it's not gonna be the same. Hayi bo, kulungile ngaleso sikhathi.
Because ama-2000 awayazi into abayiqala.
Exactly, like kulungile lokho okwenziwa ngaleso sikhathi kwaku-relevant for that time. Njengamanje sila siphila nama 2K manje, so I feel like Gemini radio bandla it's not ayikho la ishona khona i-radio nje sayi-radio guys. Obviously izoshintsha indlela ekwenzeka ngayo izinto mhlawumbe ne-content isizoshintsha but nje into ukuthi nje manje i-radio sayi abantu angithi kuthiwa i-radio supposed to be informative and
educational and entertaining.
So say entertainment kakhulu asakhona ama-shows educational, come on. Akhona ama-shows
One of the things abantu abajwayele complaina ngayo kakhulukazi laba abakwi-age group yami na older bakhala ngokuqashwa eradweni kwama-influencers ne?
Yeah.
Which influencer would you like to work with or ungathiwa nje mawuthola ishow in a big radio station ongathanda ukuthima apha naye?
Hayi bo, ubanje ngikaze ngicabange yazi.
You've never thought.
No.
But do you listen to the people who babasakazi, angifuni ukuthi abangabona abasakazi, but ekuthiwa bama-influencers, the likes of Somizi Mhlongo? Do you listen to them?
I do. Kodwa nje Somizi is not a radio person. Kodwa ke phela ke ngoba njengamanje phela it's the numbers that count, so
So why do you say he's not a radio person? He's on radio.
angeke but uphambi amazi na umsakazi mfethu.
No, I'm trying to, he's on radio. That is why ngifuna ukuthi ababone abasakazi. Because what makes ukuthi sithi umuntu umsakazi ukuthi usebenze eradioini, ne? So he's on radio.
Hayi kodwa nje.
You're not happy.
Not really. Like uSomizi uright ngathi angafika ezokwenza i-feature ethize. Mhlawumbe i-feature yomgosi, mhlawumbe i-feature angazi but entertainment ethize.
But you give him time.
I have. Angeke but ke phela ke ngoba vele phela egcineni kosuku kufanele kusetshenzwe imali ke, so I'm not saying
He's bringing the numbers.
yeah, he's bringing the numbers.
Yeah.
I'm not saying you're wrong.
So, Londi, you mentioned Uti, go 9 to 12, you enjoy Khotso and Jeps.
Jeps, yes.
Who are your other people on radio that you really enjoy?
I love your breakfast here, Kagasi. Oh, Felix.
Beautiful, man, eh?
Oh, Felix will make you forget ukuthi usayemsebenzini usayogowa. They
Beautiful.
will make you laugh in the morning. Yo, I love that show with Umini. I
Yeah.
feel like nje, yeah, that's one of the top shows.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
But you did say you love Kakasi.
No, but besides that, ngiyalalela even though I listen to ekhaya kulalela ukhozi. So when I'm home, I listen to ukhozi. So ngiyayithanda futhi neyo Selby Ntambama.
Yes, because it's a beautiful show, eh? It's a beautiful show.
It drive.
Yes.
Wasn't abangani bakho.
Wasn't abangani
Sure,
bakho,
njalo, ne?
yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
That's a nice show as well. Good nje.
Community radio.
We drive.
Which community radios do you listen to apart from Inanda?
How but I have to listen to it now.
No, ingakho ngithi yeke yona vele that's
Ngoba
obvious.
uyayilalela,
Yeah,
siyazi.
that one is obvious.
Ngeke ngisawulalela makem no.
Is it angisawala?
No, it's like listen to it because that's my station. But
Otherwise, you
but
listen to the bigger
otherwise,
ones.
yeah.
No, I don't blame you. You listen to where you want to go to.
Exactly.
That's it. I remember once, I'm sharing this story. Ngisenze breakfast. Ne? Yeah, yase vibe. Mangiphuma ngene emotweni nangu Ayanda Ntuli. And Ayanda Ntuli at that time wayengakabi programs manager, wayenza i-current affairs Ntambama.
Yes.
But wayefika emini because he was also a news editor. Mefika hawu angibingelela ngene emotweni, imoto sengivula i-radio. Athi kumina, hawu chapha uphuma njena sewuvula i-SAFM. Uphuma nje sewuvula i-SAFM la emotweni.
Nama ngithatha program manager ubonke kanti sothi siphumisana and nje ngivulile esinye stage amahloni kimi.
Yeah, ne?
Because even because lanto strange even when you were coming here
Ubudriver bulalele something else. And umuntu ongasebenza eradioini would think ukuthi bawusebenzela igagas uhlala ulalela igagas, and that's not the case.
Akukho kanjalo nhlobo.
And it would be a problem if uhlala ulalela isiteshi sisebenzelayo because you won't know what's happening out there.
Yes, that's the
Yes,
thing.
definitely.
Yeah.
Ngeke.
Okay, Londi, let's as we approach the end, so there's quite a bit that we said you do. I'm not sure. I want to move on a little bit from your radio. Can I do that? You good?
Please.
You said you are a businesswoman.
Yes.
Talk to us about that.
I've got my small business now. Sitaiza Izinwele. So we've got Fancy Wigs, which is our company that sells hair.
So lezo igqokile zakhona.
Yep, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, this is quality. Yeah.
Definitely.
No, phela mina ngizazi eduze.
Oh. Was lazy Zalonde eduze.
Angithi naye la.
Yes. No, now I get you.
Like
I
you
get
can
you.
tell.
Yes,
No,
yes,
we
I
walk.
guess.
Yes. Yeah.
No, because kusho kumele lungiselela umama.
Please,
Plus,
Valentine's is
around the
coming
corner.
up.
Yes.
So as a gift, thank you.
Okay. Kuthiwa ama-inch ne? So you do all the inches that are popular.
Every single type. We've got every type of hair. We've got different colors. We've got curls. We've got straight hair. We've got double drawn. We've got.
Yeah, why that business?
Because it has to do with beauty. I love internet beauty products. I mean, I'm a girly. Like, I'm that girl. My hair will always be done. So I was like, let me do something that I love.
Enjoy,
so I'm gonna enjoy. Exactly.
All right. So unjoba ugqokile uthathe esitokweni.
But also, I need to for you to see my hair. So it's easy for me to so I'm like, no.
Wow.
I'm the seller, so
Yeah,
it's easy and
all right. So, but how are people responding to your business?
They've been very supportive, Shame. They've been very supportive. I started 2025 towards end of 2023. So my people are supporting Bandla cool.
And what? And now, and how do you get the people to know the business?
I post on the socials.
So you've been using mainly social media.
Yeah, I've been using social media, and then again, my colleagues at work, like word of mouth. Yeah, I also do it.
Then you'll courier.
Yep.
And or you'll deliver if they are close to you.
Yeah, if a person is around like Tegwini, then I'm deliver. But if it's outside, then we courier. I'm happy, right? And I've never had any complaint as in a bank pretend. But I pretend to cook man.
Yeah.
So I've got beautiful reviews. That's something to get along and I'm a figure on time.
It's a range from how much to how much. You don't have to give us the exact amounts. I would think so afford no.
I be shame me as very affordable and because
yeah.
From my cheapest hair. 550.
Okay.
Wow.
That's affordable.
The short ones.
Wow, that's very affordable.
Then up to 4.5.
Okay.
But that's very affordable.
Inches.
Yes.
Yes, I fully understand. No, I know these.
And it's my colleagues, so
yes.
I know my colleagues. I'm like, so I'm like, let me accommodate everyone.
Are you talking about teachers?
Stop it. Stop it.
People will complain. And you want to see about the entertainment committee. So if you can event and just get a minute of plan a little event. So it's already mhlambe end party or valenisa uthisha like fanele sikho ku200 ukuthi sihambe siyola ngaphandle. Those people will complain, my dear. So I'm like, let me accommodate my people shame nama price ayigaga siqala nje
support.
Yes.
Because omunye ngempela usuke ethanda ukusupport kube ukuthi awekho wona amandla. So yeah, ukuze si accommodate wonke umuntu.
Yeah.
I had to do that.
So, Londi, what are we doing now to make sure that we get into Ikakas?
Well, I guess we just have to do our demos and keep knocking because I've heard ukuthi programs manager ukuze bagcine sebekwazi fanele lokhu babelesela lokhu umkhumbuzo uthi hayi bonjalo ngikhona. So this year we're working on that.
How about as we close, as we approach the end, you do a nice short outro. Ngoba yabo efaka ikakas. We'll make sure ukuthi iyafika kubona. No, I promise you.
Ngikho ready.
No, listen. I promise you. You must go and check our TikTok numbers. We'll make sure they see it.
We can even tag them.
Die, please. I'm with Inanda.
No, Peninandi yazi ukuthi you are applying kwezinye indawo. They know that. Okay, you're not ready. Okay, I was giving you a chance.
It's all good.
Then besokubizza mase bekubonile.
I guess so.
All good. All the best, Londi. How was Cape Town? You were in Cape Town?
Yes. Ooh. Cape Town. Cape Town, one thing about Cape Town, guys, ayikho la South Africa. Country yabo, like base country yabo bodo. Everything is beautiful in Cape Town. There's it. Jesus
So
Christ.
i-passport yakhe ithola isiqivizo nje uye Cape Town.
Ngibe ne-discipline. Ngisi mina la bantu bahlala la full time. Like people live here. Like mina, I'm here because ngivakashile. Like there's actually people who live here nje on a daily basis. I'm like, hi bo, bantu banaba nice life problems. There is not a single pothole. Do you understand? There's not a single pothole. Like man government ababodwa laba vele kusho akuyena wethu. Hayi bo, Cape Town inhle.
Esibeke bese kuba khona abantu abafana noNtobeko abasuka eCape Town bazohlala la.
You lie. Wait, Cape Town.
Who does that?
Why would you do that to yourself? Please. Why would you do
It
that?
was Ntobeko, I mean, uyena behlala eCape Town wabuyela eThekwini.
For what?
Yeah?
For what?
Yeah, ne? Ngiyayisola na. If man driver lang shy pothole ngithi, hey,
I would live in a heartbeat if I had to get a job to ngithole transfer ngiyosonze Cape Town. I won't
You'd
even
say yes.
I won't think twice, please.
Yeah, there is Heart FM.
which part of Cape Town were you in?
Ikhona ne-Heart FM, so
was
it
in
should be fine.
Parklands.
Yes, Heart FM, KFM.
Yeah, ngithi ngisho
Please.
i-sister lisasithandayo.
Oh,
Please, please.
yes, you're saying?
And kade ngilalele ama-radio stations akhona when I was that side. Khona nje Smile FM, ngayithanda nje.
Yes.
I was like, ha, cha ngeba right. La bense Parklands.
Okay.
Yeah.
The nice side of Cape Town.
Kuhle guys. Ulwandle labo nje alifane lwaseThekwini, i-country leyana
Yeah,
nje.
but just like the US, not everything is as I mean, as you see or as you will experience when you visit.
Ngoba phela isikhathi
Yes.
esincane. I'm sure phela nabo
But once you stay there, probably I mean if you stay in a nicer area in suburbs, then it will be nice. But I'm sure someone that stays in Kailicha, Langa,
I will just say the same.
they have a different experience.
Yeah, I'm sure.
So yeah.
Fun.
But Londi, thank you so much for coming through.
Ngiyabonga ukuba la ekhaya kumnandi. Ngicela ngibize no next time.
You have to
We
come
will
back.
definitely.
Futhi ke next time ngenzeni ngibize because mina zobe sesebenzela igagasi ngizobe sengithi nje yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Bese
I love
shout
this
ithola
place.
kanjani?
Ngizobe sengithi look at me now. Londiwe Dlomo.
Okay.
Go Facebook, Londi Dlomo on Instagram, TikTok, Londi225. And it's shame I'm trying to be active going out, but it's so hard. Ha, fanele uposte ngala, kuningi.
It's a lot. The social media nje inabantu bayo.
Guys,
I mean, I really wonder abantu abaposta all the time.
all the time, how do you do that?
Baphila kanjani emhlabeni onormal osebenzayo kuwona?
Ngizwe ngithi
nani, nani.
mhlawumbe ngoba thina siyasebenza like
Maybe.
ube nesikhathi la ongathinti khona ifone.
Now, to be honest with you guys, even if kuthiwa unaso isikhathi like awusebenzi, it's a Saturday. The truth is, the social media can be draining.
It's
So
exhausting.
it can be very exhausting. So I also don't know how they do it, but they do it anyway.
Every hour. I'm like,
But they do it anyway. Yeah.
kodwa ke phela into emnandi ukuziphelela kubasebenzela ngithi vele kuthiwa phela manje even uFacebook yakwazi ukumonetize yonke leyo.
Yes.
Yes.
So I think also to that level vele kuzokwenza sure ukuthi you posta ngempela.
Yeah.
Right, but it's not
And most
easy.
umsebenzi wakho influence.
Yeah,
You have to.
okay.
You have to.
I also want to try that this year. Because
Try.
I feel like anginaso isikhathi. Yes, I've got so much to do. Like
No, but I recommend that you try it.
I want to try that.
Yeah,
hey?
try it.
Kuningi.
Londi, thank you so much. Sizokuthola emsakazweni.
Yes, every single Sunday, 3 to 5, Kunanda FM.
Today's best radio.
Today's best radio.
Yes. No funi inwele amthinte.
Please,
Fancy
please.
hair, ne?
Abantu babe bahle bonke nje hayibo.
Angithi fancy hair.
Fancy wigs.
Fancy wigs. Okay,
Yes.
fancy wigs.
Yeah.
Abantu babe bahle
Okay.
sikhona. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much for coming through.
Thank you.
It's been podcast radio and stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Please do tune in again next week as we'll be having yet another guest. Comment, share, like, and join as a member. If you join as a member, you contribute R9.99 towards making this podcast better. I'm Tobeko Kuluse.
I'm Ntokozo Chafa.
Bye-bye.